Let's go and make a banana slug pencil holder. These are so cute and easy to make. So now we're going to go and make a slug. This is going to be along the lines of a banana slug. What you do is, like you would go and make a snake, you would just go and roll this out, leave it nice and rounded at one end, and we're going to go and point it towards the other. When we get to the end, we're going to go and squiggle it just a little bit. So just give it maybe 1 or 2 bends. And after you have that bent, and it doesn't have to be too close of a bend, but it has to be bended just a little bit, we're going to go and move over to the eyes. Now the eyes are really easy to make. You just go and pinch one side, pinch the other side, flatten the inner center portion, and we're going to go and just use a small amount of water to go and smooth this all out. Press your pencil in place just to go and create an indent, and we're going to go and let this dry. So we're just going to go and paint this yellow because I want it to be a banana slug, and banana slugs are usually yellowed. So let's just paint the whole body. Now for the eyes, at the tip, we're just going to go and paint that white. Wait for it to go and dry. While it's drying, let's paint on a very small little mouth, and then 2 little tiny eyes. Here's our finished pencil holder. Thank you so much for watching.